Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Beaufox Hair. So let's get right into the video. So y'all, I did wait to install this hair for my birthday, and I got it custom colored. I got the roots dyed customly from this girl, and she ended up losing the package that the hair came, but nothing really came inside. It was just the hair bag and a little card, thank you card. I really wanted to do this color for my birthday with the little dark roots, not too dark, not black but brown. It definitely was a look, definitely turned out cute. Everybody kept telling me they loved the blonde on me, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of was skeptical, but I'm like, what could go wrong? But I definitely enjoyed collabing with Beaufox, y'all. This is my second time collabing with this company. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all watch the video. y'all, this is the end of the video. This is how my hair turned out. Very cute, very cute. I hope y'all enjoy it as much as I enjoy making this video. I also enjoy collabing with Beaufox Hair. The link will be in the description box. My discount code, literally everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.